Hey curlies, welcome to my channel again. Before we go ahead and get started, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey everyone, so I'm coming to you guys today to do a 2-strand twist out on my natural hair. So I just finished washing my hair, so this is my natural curls, just water, no products whatsoever. However, speaking of products, I am coming to you guys with a new twisting cream that I made homemade. This is 100% natural ingredients, and I will be selling this product soon. But I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how I use my twisting cream on my hair to do a 2-strand twist. You guys always love the results of my 2-strand twist. Thank you so much. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys not only what I'm going to use on my 2-strand twist, but how I actually do my 2-strand twist outs. Now, just a little background, a little back history on my hair. I've been natural since 2010, and every 2 years I big chop my hair. This year was actually the first time I've gone so short. No, actually, this is the second time I've gone really short with my big chop. And the reason I big chop my hair so often, I always find myself doing something extreme to my hair. I'm either bleaching it, I'm either straightening it. And by the time I reach the second year where my hair is actually growing and really long, I'm not liking the health of my hair. So instead of having big hair, I'd rather have healthy hair. And if it's healthy and big, even better. July was the 4th time I've done a big chop. I don't plan on cutting my hair again. I'm gonna do a quick little length check. That's the sides. This is the back. And this is the front. So that is 8 months of growth, and I'm very excited about my journey. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do a 2-strand twist. I'm very excited to try my new product out. This is going to be my twisting cream, and I'm very excited to, bring this out to you guys and share this with you guys and give you guys the results of what this twisting cream does to my hair. As you can see, it's very moisturizing. I just, put a little bit on my hands and just rubbed it in. So this is, smells so good. Smells so good. But I love everything natural to be used on myself, like whether it be my face, my hair, my skin. Like, natural to me is just like, okay, can't go wrong. It's natural. Like, it's a go. It's going to do great things and give me great benefits to my hair, to my skin, to my body. So I decided to just bring to you guys, again, a natural product that I'm going to test on my hair first. I know it's going to be magnificent, and I just want to share with you guys the results, the process. So here we go. Okay, so I'm getting ready to section my hair, and I don't use a comb to do partings. I just use my fingers. So when I take my hair out, I don't have like those neat partings. So I like to do my hair and my twist outs on very wet or damp hair. I have high porosity hair, so when I apply product to my wet hair, it really locks in, like especially the lemongrass twisting butter. It seals the moisture in my hair. So I'm just finger detangling. I actually just applied some leave-in conditioner. I'll leave that information down below. So I'm just taking a little bit of the twisting butter. A little goes a long way. You don't have to apply a lot. So I'm just finger detangling and running that product through my hair. And look how those curls are so defined. That's the aloe vera gel that is actually defining those curls. This lemongrass twisting butter has so many great properties in it. It's moisturizing. It has a lot of antioxidants. It also has curl defining properties included into this ingredient. So, you can't go wrong with this. It's great for any style, twist out, coil out, braid out. It's even good for a wash and go, but the only thing with that, it would be that you have to diffuse your hair to dry it. It will be the juiciest wash and go you ever had, not stiff or anything, very loose and flowy. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead in 2 strands. I grab the hair in 2 sections and I just twist it down. The back of my hair, the curl pattern is so different. It's weird. I have a couple of different curl patterns, and I think it's pretty normal for a lot of naturals. You notice that your hair texture is different throughout your hair. So the back of my hair is so soft. The curls are super loose. So I really have to focus and make sure that these twists are tight in the back. Well, not tight, but you know, I have to make sure that I'm twisting it really close together so I get that definition that I'm going to get throughout my entire head. But nonetheless, it's super loose. Look at that. Super loose. I mean, it doesn't even shrink as much. That's just the way, I guess, our natural hair is. So I coil the ends, and I'll show you why I do that a little later. But it's very important when you're twisting your hair to make sure you coil the ends. Focus on the ends. When you're sealing the ends, too, it's going to give you an amazing result once you take it out.
You act like you need reminding, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blinded. Should've never give you my heart on consignment. And I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him. No, you took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because, no. All them times I played the fool for you, thinking we could put it back together. Thought we had forever, you never see my point of view. Our connection is so severed, you don't show no effort. I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him, no. Took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because, no. You gon' get my hopes high, girl. You gon' get my hopes high, girl. Just gon' tell me more lies, girl. Just gon' get my hopes high, girl. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because, no.
Alright, so I'm just going through it now. This whole process took me about an hour. Maybe it's because of the size. Maybe it's because my hair is super thick. Everyone will be different. You don't have to do your 2-strand twist this small. I like to do them this small, especially on the first day, because this is what's going to give me those very defined twist out curls. But again, you don't have to do yours this small. I actually have a video that I'm going to post on like my day 2 twist outs. I love day 2. Day 1 is not so much my favorite. Day 1 is just the foundation, but I love day 2. So I'll post that video later, you guys. So check it out. You'll love it. You'll love the results. It's much more stretch than this. This is shrinkage. Shrinkage is good. Shrinkage means healthy hair, you know, of course. When your curls are healthy, they stretch and they bounce back. So that's shrinkage. That means your hair has elasticity. Elasticity is healthiness. That's the sign of healthy hair. So don't be ashamed, guys, for shrinkage. Shrinkage is real, but it's good. So I'm all done, guys. I have my hair all twisted up. This is my 2-strand twist. I don't know. I kind of don't want to take it out. Besides it taking me so long to do, it's actually cute. It looks like dreads, you know. You know me, I might take it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry overnight. But these twists are so juicy. Look at that. They're so juicy. And I just went to sleep and woke up. So now I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of the twisting cream. It's a bit much, but that's the cream. So I'm just going to go ahead and press it into my hair. And now I'm going to go ahead and take them apart. Now this prevents frizz when you do it this way while your hands are moist. And I don't really want to open them. So I'm just going to go ahead and I just came out the shower, so the ends got a little wet from me washing my face. So I'm definitely not going to pull them apart, all the way apart. Now just look how juicy they are. Do you see that? Yeah. They're so moist, so juicy. So curlies, it's very important to make sure that your hair is 100% dry before taking down any style that you achieve. If it's not 100% dry, what will happen is your hair will get frizzy and then you'll go outside, and if you're like me and you live down south where it's super humid, your hair will frizz. So just make sure your hair is 100% dry before you take it down. Now just take them apart and twist them around and let them go. Take them apart. That one just unraveled itself. And let them go. Now it's very important that when you twist it, to keep the ends nice and curly, like this. You twist it, you have to really go like that with them. So that's how you get nice and curly. See that? Okay, so I'm still searching through, feeling through, make sure I got all those twists out and unravel, which I'm sure I didn't. There's one right there, and I'm sure there's a couple more in my head, but you just have to feel your way through it and just make sure that you get everything. It's a little tricky. They start to feel the same once it's all dry. Take my rake comb, and I'm just gonna go through. I have a twist right here. I'm gonna take the comb and I'm just gonna kind of like get up in there and lift it.
Come around and they heads turn. Used to like bitches with hair perm. Now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit. Bougie still do ratchet shit. Not afraid to pass the clip before I make the ratchet spit. Blah. Motivate, 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 motivate.
All right, so here I've found the twist that was an unravel, and I'm just lifting my roots. I'm just lifting it, trying to shape it and get it into the shape that I really want it to be in. This is a little time consuming, just a little bit, because you don't want to mess up the curls. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, but we got this. So you just got to keep on just, shaping it. I'm using my hands at this point just to separate the curls a bit. This is going to give me more volume, make my curls, my twist out bigger. So just separate. I really, really, really didn't want to separate, guys. I didn't. But I did it for you guys. So I'm just separating the curls lightly and gently. I don't want my hair to get frizzy, so again, make sure your hands is full of moisture. I like to use my twisting butter and just separate them once or twice. Do you see all that moisture on my hands? Good stuff, guys. This lemongrass twisting butter is absolutely amazing. And I can't wait for you guys all to try it. You ladies, my curl friends, can't wait for you all to try it. Yeah. So enjoy the separation. Off my hands, and I might look like who did what and why up under all of this, but you came to spend the night, so you know that there was way more to me. And if you don't hold me at my good night, then you can't. Add style factor.
At my morning glory, at my morning glory. I know I'm fine, don't need an outer confirmation from a man who uses 2-in-1 and thinks he doesn't say. Don't need acrylics on the clock to hit the nail on the head. Don't need my inches down my back to throw it back in the bed. So when you speak on me and say that she ain't put together, don't forget to mention that I got my shit together. If you don't know me